nandito ang MNLF. Ipatawag lang kami ni Vice President and we are ready. The MNLF is always ready. Dapat hindi nila ginawa kay Vice President Inday yan. Very obvious talaga na sana sa panawagan niya, pamilya niya, mother, mga anak, nandito ang MNLF. Ipatawag lang kami ni Vice President and we are ready. The MNLF is always ready. Very obvious ang ginawa na magtanggal ng security para the Vice President will be open to any accident, incident, whatever. Vulnerable yan. Tumawag na sa akin yung mga retired MNLF integris, yung mga commanders natin sa ground ng MNLF, mga best fighters natin, yung mga expert talaga, veteran fighters natin. They call me, they are just waiting for the order, and then we will file the necessary protocols kung paano namin sila ayusin legally. Kung gusto niya battalion size, we can provide it. Anyway, that is just for security reason. Take it not offensive to the other parties. Na this is just, kung titingnan ng PNP, tulong ito ha. It's about time to pay kung ano man ang ma-augment namin.